Hi friends, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You will need 1 cup wheat flour, 1 cup water and about 50 gram of jaggery. Pour 1 cup of water along with jaggery. Add 1 teaspoon of butter ghee in wheat flour and mix well. Now put the wheat flour in boiled jaggery syrup and mix with rolling pin. Then place a plate over the pan. Then mix well. Place a plate over the pan again, add a little water in the plate and make sure the heat is low. After about 10 minutes, remove the plate and mix the lapsi. Finally, for the topping, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and butter ghee. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.